tired of making certificates the traditional way? If you're tired of making certificates the traditional way like this or that, then this video is for you. Watch this tutorial until the end, and I'll teach you how to make certificate making easier with minimal effort using mail merge. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the certificate file. Find the certificate file you want to use. Open the file. Identify the necessary data you want to use with mail merge. Step 2. Prepare the data. Start creating the necessary data. Create a spreadsheet and follow what I'm doing. In the first row of the spreadsheet, put the name of the required data. Follow the video carefully. Step 3. Save and close the spreadsheet. Once you've completed the data in the spreadsheet, save and close the file. Step 4. Open the certificate file. Find Mailings in the main tabs. Find Select Recipients. Choose Use an existing list. And find the spreadsheet file you created. Then double-click it or open it. Other command buttons on the ribbon will appear. Highlight the field that needs data, as shown in the video. Go to the ribbon and click Insert Merge Field. Choose the appropriate field to insert data, such as name, gender, section, and honor. Step 5. Preview and print the certificates. Click Preview Results and navigate through the records to ensure all data is correct. After that, you can print or generate the certificates. Follow the video carefully. Final steps. Choose Edit Individual Documents. If you want to generate all documents for each individual data, choose Print Documents. If you want to print either all, current selection record, or by page range. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.